The first device from input side is keyboard. So keyboard is one of the major important input device. Why? Without keyboard, we are unable to turn on computer, unable to enter into the next screen. Okay, every keyboard is used to give the input to the computer. Okay, for standard keyboard contains 104 keys, and every keyboard contains 7 types of keys. The first one is like functional keys from F1 to F12. F1 means like help, F2 means rename, F3 means search. Like that, we have different type of functional keys we are using in the keyboard. Second one, alphabetical keys, that is small a to z or capital A to z in the form of quadre. So quadre format, like type reader. Next, the third type of key is control keys, like alt, control, space, tab, enter, backspace. Okay, everything comes under control keys. With the help of these keys, we can performing some kind of actions. Next, navigational keys. With the help of the navigational keys like up, down, left, right, these 4 keys we can call it as navigational keys, or we can also call it as directional keys. So page up, page down, home and print screen, everything comes under navigational keys. Next, numerical keys. So 0 to 9, which is right side of the keyboard, comes under the numerical keys, and with the help of Fn, with the help of control or with the help of shift, we can operate numerical keys in the main layout. Next, indicator keys. Okay, so indicator keys. So what is indicator keys? Indicator keys means caps lock on, scroll lock on, num lock on. There is some kind of indicators you have to find out. Next, the last keys comes under, 7th one comes under multimedia keys. Okay, forward, play, pause, volume up, volume down, stop, directly power off. So there are some specialized keyboard contains multimedia keys, but standard keyboard having only 104 keys, right? So keyboard is major and important input device. The second device is mouse. Okay, so mouse is pointer device. So whenever mouse is on, this pointer you can find out on the screen. So mouse is second important input device. With the help of mouse, we can easily operate computer. Basically, mouse contains 3 buttons, sometimes 2 buttons, sometimes left button, right button, followed by the scrolling button. So our current generation mouses are this kind of category: left button for general operations, general clicks, scrolling for page moving, and right button for special operations. Okay, so and the mouses are classified into 3 types. The first one is PS2 mouses, which was used earlier. Second one is USB mouses. Most of the wired mouses comes under USB and it is very accurate and speed. And third one is wireless mouse. Okay, so this is the basic information about the mouse. Next, joystick. Are you gaming lover or are you using number of games in the computer? Then joystick is very important input device for you. Okay, so joystick is also one of the important input device which is helps to play the game. Okay, basically the combination of mouse plus trackball is comes under as a joystick to play games. Okay, the next device is called as trackball. Some of the people are using trackball alternative of mouse. Basically, trackball contains a big ball. With the help of this ball, we can move the pointer. Trackball frequently used in computer aided designing, computer aided machines and some of the medical fields. Okay, so this is the application of trackball. Next important device is scanner. Scanner is also powerful important input device. It is used to convert text or image or any data is on screen. That means the hard copy, the paper is converted as soft copy. Okay, hard copy is converted into soft copy. Basically, if you copy anything that is bitmap images, that is comes under BMP images, or that may be JPG images, that may be PNG like paint images, or sometimes it may be stored like GIF images. Okay, so this is also one of the important input device. Next, microphone. Microphone is input device used to record voice or record voice or sound into the computer. Simply we can call it as mic. Next input device is webcam. So webcam is also input device. So with the help of this input device, we can view images on the screen and basically it is used in internet. Okay, and we can record data into computer also. Basically it can be used in Skype applications, web chat applications like online classes. So the webcam is most useful device. Okay, so live videos. So video we can capture photograph. Next one, barcode reader. So barcode reader is also one of the input device, and this device used to scan the product using barcode technology, using like barcode technology. So basically, if you go for the supermarket, most of the products scanned through barcode. Not only supermarkets, some kind of shopping malls, some kind of business shops, everything is reached through the barcode. Okay, so this barcode we can also call it as POS machine. Okay, point of scale machine, point of scale machine. Okay, so this barcode reads, translate black and white lines which was appeared on the particular sticker. Okay, so you can observe that in the supermarket or any product there is a barcode. So in the barcode the reader translate black and white bars of different widths of electronic impulse into send them into computer, right? So electrical data is converted into some price data. Next one is OCR. OCR. The full form of OCR is optical character recognition. Optical character recognition. So this is the one of the input device used to read data. Okay, so that is going to be typed or handwritten on some particular document. Okay, so this is nothing but scanner plus some special software, and this data is going to be translated in the form of ASCII. Okay, next one is MICR. MICR. The full form is magnetic ink character reader or recognizer. Okay, so it is one type of input device or machine. This machine is going to be read magnetic ink data from particular document. The best example is data reading from checks which are used in banks. You can find out the check, there is some kind of barcode and there is a number like 1029, like that there is some kind of number you can find out. So with the help of this MICR we can read the checks. Next device is OMR. OMR. The full form is optical mark reader. Optical mark reader. Okay, so this reader is going to be read data which is bubble with the pencil or mark with the pencil in particular grids. Okay, so basically this is also one type of scanner. Okay, so most of the competitive exams done through the OMR, like I said, TEMSET, railway examinations, state examinations and SSC examinations, everything is like OMR. So we are going to fill the data, okay, like this. This data is read by this OMR machine. Next one is light pen. Light pen. So light pen is also one of the input device. It is similar like mouse, okay, but with the help of this device we can write information on the screen and we can draw the pictures on the screen, okay. So that may be computer or that may be mobile. So like we can also call like S Pen, or we can also like Apple Pencil. So everything is comes under light pens, or we can also call it as digital pens. Next one is touch screen. So nowadays most of the laptops and mobile screens or ATM machines, everything is comes under touch screens, okay. When we touch a screen, it can be detect and it is going to be respond as per your requirement, right. So finger is the one of the important recognition point of the touch screen, okay. So these are the application. Nowadays everything is, most of the devices are using touch screens, right. And public information centers, ATMs, like mobile phones, okay, banking applications, everything is comes under touch screens. So this is Babji Ram. Please subscribe my channel for more concepts. Thank you.